My people, na good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on where una for dey watch me from. My name na Anthony, na me be the anchor man wey dey present First Aid Immigrant Solution. Now say make I come see tell us how the document wey dey talk say they wan do, how e take dey waka. So this sanatorial extraordinary wey dey talk say they wan do, so they say the form go dey available for online on the 1st of June at about 7 a.m. in the morning for Italy time. Now they want to throw away the form for online now for Ministero the internal website. Now the form one day, so I will see drop the website just now. Now say me I first explain how the team want to play that day. So the sanatoria for this extraordinary, so they thought say now two form na be one na EM-DOM. EM-DOM na E for Empoli, M for Modena, DOM D for Domenica, O for Otranto, M for Modena. EM-DOM _ 2020. That one na one form, and the other one na EM-SUB _ 2020. Those are the two form wey dey. Wetin be this EM-DOM and EM-SUB? Wetin dey all about? So if you know say your contract fall under domestic, now you use EM-DOM, now you fill, now that form you fill. Why if you fall under maybe your work where you want get so, or where the contract where they want write for you now, if now anything related to agriculture, you understand, now you use EM-SUB. So make una not misquote the team and they confuse. EM-DOM and for domestic. Anybody wey know say e get contract wey concerning domestic something, wey now you use EM-DOM. And any domestic contract not mean say na person wey you need to dey take care of house. No, na anything concerning domestic. See many well concerning this EM-DOM. So EM-DOM na people wey know say that they assist person, or you the right contract say you dey stay for the place where you take dey assist somebody wey know say e get maybe one particular sickness wey Italo dey call pathology or pathology. So or the person na handicap, you dey assist am, or the person na old person, you dey assist am. So if you get any domestic contract na EM-DOM _ 2020, now be the form wey you fill. Why those people wey know say e get contract wey relate to agriculture, whether maybe they press all those milk of cow, or they train all those cow, or they work for Zoom, they take care of all these animal where they Zoom, or if they do any contract wey relate to Zoom, or if they work for where they go to catch fish, whether they call those fishermen people, or you they use this aquaculture or any other activities where you know say concern agriculture, whether you they plant or you they uproot, or you they go to harvest anything like fruit or any other thing. So all those things concern agriculture. If you know say your contract they under this one, now EM-SUB _ 2020, now be the form where you fill. And this form where you want fill, so the person wey go help you fill the form now, like the people wey go give you work, you need to get what they call speed. Speed na credentials, which these credentials where the person need to get, so whether they call speed. So speed na Sistema Pubblico di Identità Digitale, now be the meaning of speed. So if you get these credentials, now you will feel you stay enter the place where you fulfill the form. You understand me now? And the application where you will take apply for documents, so everything dey online. So if you want get those those things where they online, so where they want to share these documents, so although say they never open the website, but the website now won't give una. So because of those people where come they ask me say how the thing want to play, because the website now they never open up, but it did there. So if you type www.nullaostalavoro.dlci.eternal.it, I come again, nullaostalavoro.dlci.eternal.it. Now there be the place where you will fulfill the form from on the 1st of June to 15th of July. And that place, so they go open around 7 o'clock on the 1st of June till on the 23rd, which is till on the 15th of July at about 23:59 o'clock. If you know, say they use Europe time, or 11:59 p.m. Now that time they'll take close the website on the 15th of July. So those things now be the form concerning the form where they talk say they want put for online where I first talk since. So if you know say you want go check all these things where they tell you, so it's still there, but you know they never open the website. And I can say that I never shook my mouth put for all those websites. So when I try go the website, they don't make an active. They say me say inactive because they never launch the site. You understand? They wait make that day reach before they launch the site. Then for those help desk, if you want to ask questions concerning this document matter, they still get another separate site under Eternal Minister website. So where I'll still tell you now, which is self-HDest, which is self-HDest.dlci.eternal.it/shd refer equals to Ali. All this one and where you for ask question, they go open that website as soon as this procedure does start, because I go see attach the link to this video for my description below, because of say I need to see tell una concerning, because for this help desk to where they want to see add journal, so they go open up from Monday to Friday 8 o'clock to 8 a.m. in the morning to 8 p.m. in the evening, while on Saturday 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. in the afternoon. So if you get any question concerning this paper, now there they go see put on for the procedure and for the other procedure. So now prefectura go come handle the final part of this after you don't submit all this form, which I will tell you. So now they'll come convocate you now concerning this form where you fill online. So if you just the only thing where they never see specify now the Reddit where they know where your boss go get before you start, now be the thing where they never specify. So as soon as they specify that one, I go still come and come let you know concerning that aspect of it. So for those people where they thought say the form they'd already put on, if they're under construction, the website, they never activate them. As soon as on the first just day 7 o'clock, the thing go start, bam. So if any other thing still there, I'll still come up, come educate una or come inform una concerning this very one. But the form never see they available now for online, but they don't already talk on what they'll call the form, and they don't already talk say the website where they want use, which is Ministerial, the internal website, and the department where you will go if you enter Ministerial, the internal website now, Department per le libertà civile e l'immigrazione. So now that department now they attach all this application to. So is also a branch under internal minister. So now I say make I can't use this opportunity, come see tell us how the document want to play. So if you know say now this one be the only video we don't watch concerning my own, you need to still go watch the previous one where I first dropped some weeks ago, some days ago. You'll be following this very one, because you don't tell whether they talk about this document before they come, without they go near how the document want to come. So now say make I see tell una after they don't get una don't inform they don't tell una how the thing want to start. After the una don't fill the form with the speed and everything, all you need to do now na questora go come carry everything then before they can give una the paper. So concerning the contract matter, na ins na he go dey in charge for that one. You understand? So now say make I let you know. But apart from that, I believe say we'd already talk everything where I need to see explained concerning this document matter. So more not forget to subscribe to First Aid Immigrant Solution. Una good night, bye bye.